Much of it is faded and worn away.
Yeah.
So we're just kind of bringing that back to what it was. And then as far as brightening colors, that has to do with two things. One, colors in the stained glass windows.
Yeah.
And two, the fact that the walls are no longer dark. So when you look at these darker colors against the white walls, the design and the colors just don't read. The vision for this church was not Native American. It was very colonial in nature, in my opinion. And so this is much more European tradition than a local tradition. So the whole discussion with him was about architecture, designs, colors, which are fixed. Try to look at the architecture and the history and make good decisions, and at a certain point go with my instinct, but that's as informed as I can make it. But really I'm working as an artist, and I'm painting, and then I'm standing back from the canvas and looking at it and hoping that I'm making good decisions. I usually feel like I reach a point in the work that a little switch goes off and it works. So I keep working until I hit that point.